my channel, and today is this unboxing of manuscript calligraphy kit. And right now I'm trying to learn some new things, and I really want to see that what everything is to explore. So this is having the outlook of the kit, and what they include inside the kit is two manuscript fountain pens, okay, some of the cartridges, as well as 12 cartridges, the colors, 4 calligraphy nibs, okay, and these things. So these are the sheets where we can practice with this pen if you want to practice, and if you don't have anything else, you can make a copy of these, I suggest. And then another pad to do more practice. This is very plain, and then it's a all guide that how you can use the stuff. Basically not use the stuff, it is all about that how you will get started, as well as what are these nibs and what kind of strokes they make, and which strokes give which kind of stuff, and how to practice on those sheets, and many more. Okay, so they have the wedding card invitation, how to make them, italic manuscript, layout and design. Now when you buy something like this, you have lots of material to getting started. So if you are like me and you want to get started, then this is the best thing to do. So this is the first time I'm putting the cartridge inside this, so let's start and see how it works. I will choose this one. I think it's a blue, and I'm gonna just put that inside. I hope it works that way, because they don't have anything written about the how to put the cartridge inside or something like that. Or let me see if here there is something. No. So I think I just need to push that inside and then put it back. I think you can refill the cartridges also. And I just want to remove this and see if this cap is going okay. Okay, that's nice. So this is the first time I'm trying the calligraphy. I never do all this stuff, but yeah, you should learn everything new. So this is the new thing I want to learn. And after a few shakes, I get the ink flowing. Oh wow, I always thought my handwriting is not that good. Now here I'm not using any of these instruction. I'm just writing some words and see that how this pen works. And yeah, it's awesome. And many of the times I want to use these kind of stuff for my other things, like maybe I can use them for the mark making, or making some kind of lines on the paper, something like that. Most of the times whenever I do brush practice, I do the practice of the strokes, as these people also told that you can practice the strokes like straight strokes or V strokes or C and U strokes, and that much I know, S strokes and kind of curves. So I think, yeah, this is a nice script to start. They came with all of different colors, as well as these tips are different. This is more broader step, and there are 2 more. I wish that they should have like 4 of these, so that I don't have to change that thing the nib, and I can use that. So now sometimes it's really overwhelming while you see all the videos. You can get all the informations on the YouTube, Pinterest, and many more stuff, many more teaching platforms, but you really don't know where to start. And today I will say that where to start is most important thing in life, and you have to finalize that where to start thing. But I think overall this is the nice kit, and I really like. I will keep you updated that how I'm gonna learn. One more thing, when we start to doing these, you can print out some free sheets and you can practice on them, or you can just put the paper or the transparent paper on them, and you can see through the letters. Like here I can see through the letters, or you can use your light board also. But if you don't have that much things, you can just put the plain paper, or you can have the any tracing sheet, and you can trace these letters on them to get the practice. So I think it's a worth. I like it. I'm gonna put the link below. I bought it from Amazon. This is not affiliate product. I just bought it because I want to try something new. So until the next project, have a crafty life. Bye bye.